Match list 1 with list 2. So list 1 has types of inheritance and list 2 has examples. So first one, incomplete dominance. The classic example is of anterim species. So this is also called as snapdragon. Snapdragon. And another name is dog flower. Dog flower. So what is seen as the name suggests incomplete dominance? That means we have red flowers and white flowers. So the heterozygous condition, ideally in case of fully dominant, completely dominant case, heterozygous is also red. But in case of anterim, flowers were pink in color, indicating that the R allele is the capital R, the dominant allele is not completely dominant over the recessive one, and hence the name incomplete dominance. So A is 2. Let's look at the options. A2 is in option 2 and 3. So we mark 1, we eliminate 1 and 4. So now we have to rule out between B1 and B3. B1 codominance blood group antigens. Yes. So B is 1. B is not 3 because skin color in humans is polygenic inheritance. So D will be 3. B is 1, D is 3. So it confirms our answer as option 2. This is not there. So the right answer is option number 2. Okay. So let me explain what codominance is. I'll just clear the space. Blood group of humans. So how many blood groups are there? B, A, B, and O. So the genotype in this case can be, it can be heterozygous or both the alleles are dominant. So the gene is I gene, and the allele form is IA. So this will give rise to A blood group antigen. In case of B blood group, this is going to be IB in heterozygous condition. In homozygous condition, it will be IBB. AB will have both alleles, A and B alleles, and I is the recessive form, homozygous recessive form. The example is AB blood group. Both A and I, these two alleles are equally dominant and therefore both the antigens are expressed. So the RBCs of a person with AB blood group will have A antigen as well as B antigen. Both will express equal expression of both the antigens, and therefore the term is codominance seen in blood group. Next one, pleiotropy. What is pleiotropy? When one gene has multiple phenotype, and the example is phenylketonuria. So basically phenylketonuria is a genetic disorder. The enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase is mutated. So this is phenylalanine hydroxylase. So the abbreviation for this enzyme is PAH, phenylalanine hydroxylase. So as the name suggests, this will act on phenylalanine and convert it into tyrosine. So because this enzyme is mutated, what will happen if the person consumes phenylalanine? The levels of phenylalanine will increase in blood. And this high levels of phenylalanine is toxic to neurons. So this is going to affect the neuronal health, leading to mental retardation. So this is one phenotype. Hydroxylase PAH deficiency causes mental retardation. The other effects is skin pigmentation, and then there is reduction in hair. So the multiple effects, phenotypic effects seen due to one gene, defect in one gene. This phenomenon is known as pleiotropy. And the classic example is phenylketonuria. So C is 4. Next one, polygenic inheritance. The example is skin color in human. So polygenic, as the name suggests, poly is poly for many, genic is genes. So in this case, in case of the skin color, it is coded by three genes A, B, and C. So a person with dark skin will have a genotype like this. So the two alleles of each gene are dominant, and an albino, that means the lightest skin color, this person will have the recessive alleles for A gene. Similarly, recessive alleles for B gene and recessive alleles for C gene. So these are the two extremes. In between, there are gradation in the skin color seen, and different combination of alleles is going to give different skin colors. So many genes are controlling skin color, therefore this is known as polygenic inheritance.